are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 3, Factors and Multiples. Children, basic you already studied in your previous classes. Now today we are going to learn factors and multiples in little details. Factors. Factors are the numbers which exactly divide the given number. This is the proper definition of factors. To explain this, let's see one example. When we divide 35 by 7, we get the quotient as 5 and there is no remainder left. जब हम 35 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so 35 is completely divisible by 7 and no remainder left. So now we can say that 7 and 5 are the factor of 35. See here, 7 and 5 divide the 35 exactly and without leaving any remainder. Or we can say 35 is completely divisible by 7 as well as 5. So we can say that 7 and 5 are the factors of 35. See here, 35 is the multiple of 7 and 5. What does it mean? It means you will find 35 in the table of 7 as well as in the table of 5. Now see some important points about factors. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. 1 से हम कोई भी नंबर को easily divide कर सकते हैं. So that is why 1 is the smallest factor of every number. The next, the largest factor of a number is the number itself. कोई भी नंबर का largest factor वो नंबर as it is होता है. For example, the factor of 16, the largest factor of 16 is 16. Now see next, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. सभी नंबर सिर्फ 1 को छोड़कर सबके at least 2 factors होते हैं, एक तो 1 और एक नंबर itself. Every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. सभी नंबरों के फैक्टर या तो उनसे लेस देन होंगे या फिर इक्वल होंगे. द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ अ नंबर इज फाइनाइट. फैक्टर ऑफ ए नंबर लिमिटेड होते हैं. मीन्स कोई भी नंबर के फैक्टर्स लिमिटेड होते हैं, उसमें हम कोई भी नंबर ऐड नहीं कर सकते. नाउ टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 16. सो टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स we are going sequentially like 1, 2, 3. So you are not going to miss any number. Now let us start multiplication from 1. 1 into 16 is equal to 16. So here 1 and 16 are the factors of 16. Now move to the 2 and multiply 2 into 8, which is equal to 16, and here 2 and 8 are the factors of 16. Now move to the next number 3 and see, in the table of 3, 16 does not come, so 3 is not the factor of 16. Now next, in the table of 4, 4 times comes 16, so 4 is the factor of 16. Move to the next number 5, and in the table of 5, 16 does not come, so 5 is also not the factor of 16. Like that, 6 and 7 are also not factors of 16. Now move to the 8, and in the table of 8, 2 times comes 16. So here 8 into 2, 16, and here 2 into 8, 16. Both are same. So जब repeat होना start हो जाता है तो हम वहीं पर stop कर देते हैं, and this all numbers are the factors of 16. So see here, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Now let's see common factors. A number which is a factor of 2 or more numbers is called a common factor. ऐसा नंबर जो 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर्स का फैक्टर हो, that is called as common factor. Now let's see example. Find out the factors of 12 and 18. Factors of 12 are, in the table of 1, 12 comes, in the table of 2 also 12 comes, in the table of 3 also 12 comes, like this in the table of 4 also 12 comes, 6 also 12 comes and 12, and these are the factors of 12. Now factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now see which number are common here, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of 12 and 18. So this is all about the factors. Now move to the next, that is multiples. The multiple is a number that is a product of two given numbers. जब भी हम कोई दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो जो आंसर में प्रोडक्ट मिलता है that is only called as multiples. Now let's see example. Find the multiples of 6. Now see here table of 6. So here 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So children, कभी आपने सोचा है this 6, 12, 18, 24 ये सब क्या है? This is a product and this is only called as multiples. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. Now let's see some important points about multiples. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. कोई भी नंबर का smallest multiple वो नंबर खुद होगा. Now next, the largest multiple of any number cannot be obtained. कोई भी नंबर का largest multiple को हम obtain नहीं कर सकते because every number has endless multiples. The multiple of number is greater than or equal to the number. कोई भी नंबर का मल्टीपल उस नंबर से ग्रेटर देन होगा या फिर इक्वल होगा. The number of multiples of a number are infinite. कोई भी नंबर का मल्टीपल्स इन्फिनाइट होगा. इन्फिनाइट मीन्स अनलिमिटेड. Now move to the next point, common multiples. A number which is a multiple of two or more numbers is called a common multiple. ऐसा नंबर जो दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स का मल्टीपल हो that is called as common multiple. Now let's see example. Find the first common multiple of 2 and 3. The multiples of 2 are, here we write the table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Now write the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. Now see here which numbers are common? 6 and 12. So 6 and 12 are the common multiple of 2 and 3. And so children, here we find out the first common multiple of 2 and 3. So 6 is the first common multiple of 2 and 3. I hope you understood this topic very well. Now I want you to do the rest exercise at home. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care, be positive.